Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to my studio. It's Lily from Lily's Mix. Today we're going to learn to tell a story in an oil painting and also learn to paint the light. So I've been working on my painting for quite a while and I edited a lot out because I know you guys don't want to watch just fussing and fussing. So what I did here was I made a couple of artist choices. This is a rattan rug and I thought I wanted to continue two things. One, my dark tones. I want to see if I can connect these. So I'm going to put this leg down here really dark for this table and see if I can connect some continuity around that. And also I had her face way off. I'll zoom in when I show you that. And so I had it off by, oh gosh, almost a quarter of an inch, too small. So let's get on with the painting. Okay guys, right now I'm just finishing up a few touches. I had originally painted like a rose bush over here, and I was intending to angle some of the deepest reds from the tree line to direct your eye to the seamstress. So I decided to take that out, and there still are remnants of green in here, and I didn't want to have it that green, so I go ahead and mixed up some blue white, and I'm marking that out. Also, the seamstress's head doesn't come this high up, so I need to knock that down, bring her down lower. She has a very big head. And so that means I have to go back into my palette here. Let's see if I can find some. There we go, there we go. I need to get a lot of white going with that yellow. I'm mixing, it's a yellow ochre with my white that I used to create that wall. So her head is not all the way up to that. So let's bring her way down. Let's see how light I need to get it right there. So although this started out to be an ethereal type painting, what happened was the play between the dress and the dressmaker was just not strong enough. You know, I had asked people who were, while I was painting, I asked people if they understood the story, and many of them said, what is this? It took them too long to identify what was going on. Let me show you this way. You know, for them to identify what was going on in the painting. Okay guys, so when we see red, the eye wants to see green. So what I've done here is, since I have this going this way, I'm going to have it going the opposite way up here, so I can lead the viewer's eye back into the painting. So what I want is constantly moving. So I've decided to do a brighter green here, and I don't know what's next in this little thing here. Let's see. We'll lighten up the sky. This is the part where you really need to have clean brushes. I'm going to lighten up this really light if I can. I probably should be using the paint right out of the tube. And then I'm going to put a dark right on top of that green. Let's see if I can get a clean brush. Let's see if I can find some blue that's still awake. So let's make this and this. That's pretty bright for being so far deep into the painting. I probably should mute it a little bit. I don't have any purples. It sure would be pretty with where's my yellow? Have a little live yellow with a turquoise sky or something. Okay guys, through this whole painting I have wanted to take this blue and throw it over on this wall. I have my paintbrush full, I have the paint mixed. I want it to be obvious so that we can tell that this wall changes. So I'm so nervous about that. So let me just put one stroke, I'll wipe it off. Whoa. That's the dangers. For me, it's not reading as it's not saying I did anything right now as I'm looking at it. Here we go, a little close-up of the little bowl of flowers that I painted in there. Let's see, get it to focus. It's really pretty. And the close-up of the paintings. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, whether we should put a kitty right there on the sofa. Or should we put him here, over here behind Skylar on the windowsill. I know that I'm going to have to work on this shirt right here. For some reason, it looks very amateur. I don't know. I've painted it 100 times, and I did need to put it in red so that it will grab your attention and make you focus on what is going on. Okay, guys, I think I'm going to end this painting right here. I'm going to have a video out just once a week now, and stay tuned for next Thursday. I'll let you know if I do go ahead and add a kitten right here, maybe a tree to add some more green, but I love the green that opposes the red. I've repeated the red 3 times, added just a little bit of green here and there. So see you guys next week, Thursday afternoon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.